How to get teenage filter on TikTok. So go open your TikTok application, click the search icon here on the top right, and search for teenage filter effect. Now what we want to do is find a photo or video in which people are using the effect. So click on a video and there should be a pop-up with an effect icon and it says teenage look. So click on that button and it will take you into this page. Now you will see everyone who used the filter, and on the very bottom you have here the button to use the filter. So go click on that. After clicking on this, you can see that there are two different panels where you can see the teenage look on the top and your current look on the bottom. So that's basically it. You can now record and share a video using the teenage filter effect. Going back, if this teenage look word is not available to you in any of the videos you watch, you should try updating your TikTok app on the App Store and try it again after updating. So that is how you get teenage filter on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.